I do appreciate the time. I really appreciate. Oh, check this out. The can't believe I forgot that I was going to start off with this. Duh. The CMF watch. I'm giving it away. Now it's the review unit that I used, but it is what it is, right? So I used it for about a week. No, I didn't take it swimming. No, I didn't take it in the shower. And no, I didn't sweat in it. I don't work out, which I should, but I don't. So I basically used it here, to be 1,000% honest with you. I used it sleeping, right? I used it for an alarm clock. I used it for sleep tracking, and that's it. And for about a week. So I already wiped it off. I already cleaned it with rubbing alcohol. It looks like brand new, right? So I'm gonna give that away as my bi-weekly. We run a free contest over here. If I'm wrong, let me know. I don't know of any other channel. Some channels do giveaways. I run a giveaway every 2 weeks, and this is cool shit too. This is not like a hat, or I mean, hat's cool, but you know what I'm saying. Like, I'm thinking, look, we give away cool stuff here. This is $100 value, CMF by nothing. It's their new smartwatch. The battery lasts for 2 weeks. I didn't charge it once since I was reviewing it. Now, I'll include the charger, the box will come with it, everything will come with it. I already factory reset it. The contest ends December 24th. It'll be a Christmas present, so to speak, for one of my subscribers. That is the requirement. You have to be a subscriber to the eSIM Studios YouTube channel. Now, to enter, go to esimstudios.com. My link is in the description box. I got to send you to my website. It's an HTTPS website, so it's safe and secure. I'm not sending you to some, trap or something. It's my personal website, so it's completely 1,000% safe. Go to esimstudios.com and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then you'll see the CMF Watch entry. And all you do, it's hosted by Gleam. They're the largest online contest giveaway platform online, so it's safe and secure. No, do you put an email in? I don't think. I don't know, but you're good. Trust me. I looked into everything, and it's safe and secure. And I'm not using emails for anything. I'm not like data collecting. I'm just simply trying to give this away, right? I don't have access to emails or nothing. I'm not selling your email accounts or anything. No funny business. I'm just trying to help you, my subscribers. I'm trying to make our YouTube channel better than any other tech YouTube channel. So I just shipped out. Oh, check it out. This is the Apple AirTag. I'm not gonna show the address. This is the Apple AirTag that our last winner won, that I drew last night. And I got some other goodies in here too. Apple AirTag, chargers, cables, all sorts of cool stuff. I'm literally at the UPS store right now, as you can tell in the background. So I'm gonna ship this out. I have Apple AirTags. I have the CMF Watch, which is now live and available to enter. I have cases. I'm gonna do case giveaways. I got some OKs from some of these case companies we're working with now to give away their cases as a giveaway. We're gonna do all sorts of stuff. I got new Wi-Fi routers. I have gaming mouses. They're just stacked in my closet, so I'm gonna give them away to y'all. And I thought, what a great way to, gain more fanfare and more subscribers, obviously, but just create a good tech environment, because that's what I love. I'm a tech nerd, so I figured, there's no better way to give back to y'all, the subscribers, because y'all do invest a lot of your time watching these videos, and that's why it's like a thank you back to y'all. So go to esimstudios.com, scroll all the way down to the bottom, click to enter our bi-weekly. Now this is the special Christmas edition. I was going to wait to do this later, but I thought, you know what, let's end it on Christmas Eve, and some lucky subscriber will get a Christmas present from eSIM Studios. So thank you for your time. I gotta run, and I will hit y'all up tomorrow. I got another cool story for y'all tomorrow. I do daily uploads here, so always expect something tech video from me, and it'll be in my studio next time. I'm gonna try to limit these car recordings down to 0, but busy day today. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace out. Take care. Appreciate it.